Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the interface of an action and show you all the customizable options it offers. Let's dive in. At the very top, you'll see the action's title. You can edit this anytime, and it updates instantly. Below that, in the center, there's an icon. This is displayed using CSS. If we add custom content, it'll appear on the action button. If no content is added, the title will be displayed instead. Next, there's a brief description of what the action does, the color of the action's outer bar, and whether it's active or not. Now, let's move to the Versions section, which is a key part of the interface. It lets you manage version control. For any changes you make, you can create a new version and compare it with previous ones. You can also directly edit the code in any version. To create a new version, use the plus button on the right. This gives you two options. Start with a blank version or clone an existing one. Cloning makes a copy of the script in the new version. You can activate any version at any time, and the green icon shows which one is currently active. If you switch to another version, just activate it, and that version's code will now run with the action. You can also rename versions and even publish them to your gallery. On the right side of the interface, there's an icon that shows where this action is being used. For example, if we add it to a task like Maya import ABC and then return to the action, we'll see that it's being used in two places, one in the DCC and another in the model task. This gives you a clear view of where the action is executed. The DCC, where it's running, is also shown on the right. There's a section that lets you open the action in a DCC for execution or closure. The DCC that opens will match what's shown at the top. In the center of the interface, we have the code editor. This is where you program the action. At the bottom, there are several buttons. The first one lets you save or run the action. The middle one opens the console for logs and print statements. And on the right, there's the API. This is a handy list of API functions you can use in your code. And that's the full tour of the action interface.